Hi there, it's Rob the TA, and I'm going to show you how to use Google to search for images and save them down to your USB drive. The first thing you need to know about Google is when you type in a search string, I'm going to look for images about Las Vegas. And when I click on search, I could do one of two ways. I can just go through and search for images of Las Vegas based upon pictures that I see in websites, or I could click on the images link at the very top left hand corner. When I click on the images link, it only returns search results that are image files, and this is the easiest way to search for images. Before you go in searching for images, you want to make sure that the Safe Search feature is on. And by clicking on the link Safe Search Filtering, you want to click on Use Strict Filtering just to make sure you don't get back any images that uh, you do not want coming up on your screen, and especially something to consider when you're working in a learning environment like Queen's University or in the school system. So you make sure that you have strict filtering on, and once you've done that, you save your preferences. Preferences have been saved, and I'll go back to make sure that I've got my images here. I find an image that I'd like to use. There's one about Las Vegas. I like that title page for Las Vegas. When I click on just that picture, I get the picture I can save down to my desktop. Save image as, I just use my right click on my mouse. So the right button on your mouse, if you click on that, you come up with a shortcut menu. And save image or save picture as if you're using Internet Explorer or Netscape. It might say something different, but save image as is what I would like to save it down to. And my USB drive, to make sure that I find it, I go to my computer and then click on my USB drive. I've renamed mine as Rob Horgan, and then I can save it. Now I'm not done. I've saved the images. The download has come up as being saved, but now I want to copy and paste the URL, so that's the address. I want to copy that, and I want to save it into Microsoft Word, and I'm going to save all my photo credits in Microsoft Word. So when I'm ready to start working on my photo story project, I'm going to create a slide of all my photo credits, because these are not pictures that I took. This is somebody else's work. And just like when we make references to text, to other ideas of copywritten work, we need to also respect the copyright of these images. And we're going to give the URL of where we found these images to make sure that we are saying, this is not my image, this is somebody else's image, and this is where I have found the image. So as you're going through and you're finding these images, it's just easier as you go along. When you find an image that you want to use, you copy down the URL of the image. So once again, to save the image, right click on your mouse, save image as, and once you've saved it, you're not done yet. You want to copy the URL, the address, and you want to save that into Microsoft Word, which we can use it a little bit later on. As you're building your photo story, you'll be able to reference all your links based upon what slide they are, and you'll know that about which slide is which image once you start working on your photo story project. If you have any questions about working with images in Google, you can come to one of the workshops in the drop-in labs, or just check with a friend and ask your friends about searching for images using Google. Thanks so much, and enjoy your photo story project.